Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing pointers in C. And in the previous video, we have discussed how to perform various arithmetic operations on the pointers, on the integer array. And in today's video, we will discuss how to perform the various operations on the character array. So in today's video, we will discuss what would be the output of these instructions after these instructions get executed, how this output gets generated. That all will be discussed in today's video. And in today's video we will discuss the working of this pointer program, So let us start this program. Here we will start from here. Here I have declared a character array. Here I have declared a character array S1 is a character array pointer program. Here I am going to declare as inside the character array at the runtime. I am also inside the character array at the runtime. In the memory मुझे क्या गया इसके से प्रोग्राम्स में उसके किन हको ना वेरियस ऑपरेशन इस कैरेक्टर एरे पे करिए तो क्या आउटपुट का जनरेट ऐसे बाय एग्जीक्यूटिंग दीस इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट विल डिस्कस इन टुडेस वीडियो तो यदन कर मैं कहूं आ कैरेक्टर एरे कर मैं डिक्लेयर इनिशियलाइज एट अ कंपाइल टाइम कैरेक्टर एरे s1 यह नाउ छु यह कैरेक्टर एरे छु नाउ s1 तो इनिशियलाइज कर मी पॉइंटर प्रोग्रामिंग दैट मीन इन द मेमोरी the array will be like this: P O I N T E R pointer P R O G R A M I N G. This is the visualization of the array. What in the memory the character array would be just like this, and last one is the /0. So this is the name of the pointer array, and I have also declared here a pointer P. This is the pointer P, which stores the P S1. I have the S1. S1 means actually what does this S1 contains? S1 is the name of the array. S1 is the name of the array. The S1, the name of the array contains the base address of the array. We have already discussed it in the previous video that the name of the array itself is a pointer. That's the internal pointer that stores that contains the base address of the array. That means the address of the first byte of the array. If we zoom 100, this is the first address. This is 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118 and 119. These are the addresses. Actually, the addresses are in the hexadecimal format. But here we assume that these are the addresses. Suppose 100 is the base address of this array. That is the address of the first array. That is going to be stored in S1. So here I have initialized this pointer with S1. That means this pointer which contains the address of the first byte of the array. That means 100. That shows that this P points to 100. That is the first location, first byte of this array, character array. We know that the character takes 1 byte of memory. The memory manager allocates 1 byte of memory to each character. So here the size of this memory, this character array is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here, the 20 bytes of memory will be allocated by the memory manager for this array. Yem array khatra kare ase 2 byte memory allocate memory manager. Tikar ji? Aise pata ki character chu rakhan 8 bytes of memory. Character khatra chhe memory manager compiler karan 8 bytes of memory allocate. So the size of this memory is 20 bytes. So the memory manager will allocate us 20 bytes of memory for this array. Here I initialize a pointer p x1. That means the pointer p, this p contains the address of the first byte, that is the 100. So p is a pointer that stores the address of this location, first location of this character array here. Now we will see the output of this instruction. Here printf %c, printf %c, %c, we know that %c is the format specifier for the character, just as %d is the format specifier for integers. So and this %c is the format specifier for character. Here what will be the output? Here first we will see the output of this instruction. %c pointer p. What does this mean? This is the indirection operator. We know this is the indirect. Here this star, this asterisk acts as an indirection operator. The referencing operator we can also see. Here this acts as a pointer. This is a reference. When we initialize the, we declare the array, when we declare the pointer, at that time this star, this asterisk acts as a pointer. But after that, when we are using this star, this asterisk, here it acts as an indirection operator. Actually, I'm cutting khayal thawun कि खाली इंसान declare करना चाहिए pointer. तम साथ चु ये star, ये asterisk act करना role as a pointer. तम साथ चु होना कंपा कि ये सच्ची या pointer. You store करना चाहिए value of this array, base address of this array. मगर ये क्या star it acts as an indirection operator. What is the role of the indirection operator? The role of the indirection operator is that it returns the value at the address. ये means काम क्या है? It returns the value at the address. That means value. What is p? P is 100. It will return value at 100. What is the value of 100? P. 100 the value. This is the value and this is the address. This is the address. This is the name of the array is A and P is the value at this location, stored at location. That is P is the value stored at address 100. What is the value at this 100? That is P. This instruction will return P. P. When this instruction will get executed, the output will be P. Hope now you understood what is the output of this instruction. What does this instruction mean? Now we will come to next instruction. Here, printf %c. %c asterisk indirection operator p +++1. First, we know that these parentheses have higher precedence. These preferences have higher. That means this may get first evaluated, and after that the value will get returned. Yetin क्या गैस कम क्योंकि इस ब्रैकेट छी यमन higher precedence आसान यमन higher priority आसान गॉड गसन इस अखम छी expression सगस गॉड evaluate. That means p++. क्या जी? This is the arithmetical operator, binary operator, and this is the increment operator. We know that increment operators have higher precedence than the binary arithmetical, binary plus binary minus and binary arithmetic operators. So first this will get executed. P++. This is a post increment. P++. Post increment. We know in the previous post increment, first the value is returned, then the pointer variable will get incremented. Here, first the value of P will get returned. Then what is in the P that will get returned, and then the P will get incremented. Pointer variable will get incremented. What is P? P is 100. First, this will execute like this: 100 + 1, and then this p will get incremented by 1, like p plus plus. We know that p plus plus increments the previous value 1. It was 100 and it will become 101. That means now it will point to 101. So now we will see what is the value. That means that implies 100 plus 1 is 101. What is the value at 101? Now it will return value at 101 because this is the indirection operator. We know that this indirection operator returns the value at the address. Here the address is 101. 101. What is the value at 101? That is O. So the output of this would be O. This now we see this instruction printf %c star p plus 1 will return 0. The output of this instruction would O, not 0. O. Now we will come to the next instruction. Here printf %c. Here this is the induction operator, bracket p minus. This is a post decrement, p minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 3. Here we will get this instruction here. First p minus. This is also the post decrement. In this case, we know that in post decrement or post increment case, first the value will get returned, then the pointer variable is incremented or decremented. Here, what is in p? First p contains 101. That means 101. First, the p will get incremented. P 101 plus 5. Wait, sorry. ये दिन करो उसी bracket p minus 1. First there p will get returned. What is p? P is 101. Then p will get decremented. That means p will get one location backward here. Except express that was 100. Now p will point back to 100 plus 5 minus 1 plus 3. P, what was p? P was 101 previous, then it will get decremented 100 plus 5 minus 1 plus 3. That implies 101 plus 5, that means 106 minus 1 plus 3. That will give us 101 minus 1, that is 105 plus 3. That will give us, and add 101. What is the value? This is the indirection operator. It will return value at 105. What is the value at 105? This is 105. The value at 105 is this location E. 105. It will return E plus 3. E plus 3. Now E F G. E now not E plus 3. This it will return E, the ASCII value. Actually, it will return an ASCII value of E. ASCII value. E, it will increment E, then F, G, H. 3 alphabets forward. E already plus F, G, H. It will return H. So the output of this instruction would be H. It will return us H, small h. Because getting to 105 has catchy value, so choose E plus 3. E means it is the ASCII value. Actually, इस अंदर कौन सा कसा सच कसा एम किस ASCII value के अच्छा पता 97 to A, 90 small a, 98 to B, 99 to C, second D, E. The F, G, H, it will return ASCII value. Actually, it will return ASCII value of this. E will be incremented by 3. E will get incremented by 3. So E, F, G, H, our new value. The result of this expression would be H. I can return that as H. This case. Hope now you have understood the working of this instruction. Now we will come to this instruction. Printf %c plus plus p. This is a pre-increment. What is the role of pre-increment? What is the working of pre-increment? In the pre-increment, first the value of p will get first the p will get incremented. Then its value is going to be returned. Here, first the p will get incremented. What is p? P is 100. 100 will get incremented. It will now point to increment, that means 101. Now it will point to 101 plus 10. That means it will return 10 values. Yeah. Hash. First it will get incremented, that means 101 plus 10 minus 6. That implies 101 plus 10 equal to 111 minus 6. Then this is an indirection operator. The working of indirection operator is that it returns the value at the address. Now, what is the address? Address is 111, this location. What is the value at 111? That is G. It will return G minus 6. That means G minus 6. First G, then before G, E, F, E, D, C, D, it will return D. Then the output of this will be D. No, not B, sorry, A. It will return A. Because by subtracting this G minus, that means the ASCII value of G. What is the ASCII value of G? That will get subtracted by 6. If 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102 and 103. That means 103 minus 6 97. It will return 97. And obviously the ASCII value of the 97 is the ASCII value of small a. So it will return this A. Hope now you have understood how this pointer, how we can perform the arithmetic, various arithmetic operations on character array. So the last one, printf %c. Here this instruction will return 3 outputs. It will generate 3 different outputs. Let us see it's working. So the output of this instruction is A. First, here we know that all these minus, plus, and these have the same precedence. Then but the associativity is from right to left. That means it's kind of sit out corner. You are right that is left again. From right to left. First this will be executed. This is a pre-increment. That means first pre-increment means first the P will get decremented by 1 and then its value will get returned. What is P? P is 101. It will get first decremented. That means 100. So now this point will point to this 100. Value at 100 is P. So the output of this will be P. Then here this is a pre-decrement, this is a pre-increment. Here first the value of P, the P will get decremented by 1. Here first the pointer variable P get decremented, then its value is going to be returned. What is P? P is incremented. This is plus, incremented. What is P? P is 100. First it will get incremented by 1. That it will become 101. So it will again point to 101. That means 101 pointer. This is indirection operator. What is the working of this indirection operator? This indirection operator returns the value at address. What is the address? Address is 101. What is the value at 101? That is O. That is O. So it will return O. This is the output of this instruction. Now this instruction. Point. This is the indirection operator of P. That is address at P. What is P? P is 101. And this indirection. The working of this indirection operator is to return the value at address. Address is 101. Same address 101. And the value at that is 0. So the output of this instruction will be also a O. Sorry, not 0. O. So these instructions generates the same output 0, 0, and this instruction operator generates the output P. That is the value at 100. I hope now that you have now understood how the various arithmetical operations can be performed on the character array. So in these two videos, we have discussed how to access the various locations of an array by using the pointers. Pointers and array. This is the relation between the pointer and the array. In this video, we have discussed how to perform the pointer arithmetic on character array, and in the previous video, we have discussed how to perform the pointer arithmetic on the integer array. Hope now you have now understood fully these concepts as well, and inshallah in the next video we will discuss another new concept, another new type of pointer, another new type of pointer in C. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.